Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. So in this video we will learn how to declare or how to push those tags from our local machine to GitHub repository. But first let's add a new tag. For example, let's see in git log. Let's make it more visible. One line. Let's hit enter. So this tag is version 1. Let's make this tag is the version 2, for example. So let's copy the ID, and let's use it. So let's choose it in here. So release version 2, we'll name it version 2, and let's pass the ID. Passed, hit enter, and it's created. If we check now the tags, we'll find stable, unstable, version 1 and version 2. And here in our repository we see here that it's 0 release, and here we will find tags. See here tags, and for the moment there is no tag in our repository or in our GitHub. So, and to do that we need to push all those tags from the remote from the local machine to the GitHub repository. And now to do that, you know that now if we want to push, everything is need to be okay. Everything that is in our Git repository has to be the same in our Git local. So to do that, let's just check by git pull, and normally it will tell us that everything is up to date. And after that, then we need to push. See, everything up to date. Now we need to push our work. So now let's push git push, hit enter, and normally it will push correctly without any problem or any errors. And it tells us also everything is up to date. But till now the tags will not be appear in our GitHub repository. Let's check. If we refresh this page, we will find that the same output will come. As you see, they aren't in your release here. That means the tag are still not pushed to our remote server. So now to push the tag, we need to do that. Now I will show you how to push the tag. First of all, I will show you how to push tag by tag. It's mean one by one, and second time I will show you how to push alt tag once for all. So for example, let's push the stable tag. So we will write git push origin and then the name of the tag. So for example, let's use stable, or let's push stable. We hit enter, and the stable tag will be pushed. And here it shows us that new tag stable is pushed. So now let's refresh this page, and as we see that tags is pushed with his number or his IDs. Now if we click on tags, it will show us the commit new style. It's so that stable tag is committed with it has a message commit of this new style. So if we go back, now we see how to push one tag. Now how about if we want to push all the tags in once? So we will use git push, but without origin. We will use tags. We hit enter, and we will see that every tags is pushed now. See the unstable and version 1 and version 2. If we will check that in our GitHub, let's refresh this page, and we will find here all this page with their number or their ID, and if we click in some tags it will show us the commit message, for example release version 1, and with source code in zip file or in tar file. So let's go back. We can also see the message of the tag just by clicking on those three dots, and we'll see release number 2, release 1, new style for the unstable, and new style for the stable. So this is all for this video. See you soon.